If you want to see me put an entry-level camera like this one right here, which is the Nikon D3400 through the paces on another photo adventure, then stay tuned. This video is for you. You might be asking, Mark, where are you at? Well, I am in the Shawnee National Forest, in the southernmost part of the great state of Illinois. Now, the Shawnee National Forest occupies a lot of geographic area, and it starts in the southern part of Illinois, and it goes into the state of Kentucky, and then I believe into the northern part of Tennessee. Now, I came out last night and I camped out, and I'm near a place called Garden of the Gods. Now, you might be seeing my breath here. I don't know if it's being picked up on the video, but it's because it's cold out here. So we're in the 20s right now, and I believe we're going to get up in the 30s. We have partly cloudy skies, which should make for some decent photos. Now, I want you to understand something as I get into this video, and that is, I've said this before and I'll continue to say it, awesome shots are not so much about the equipment as it is about the photographer's ability to use that equipment. This right here is just the entry-level camera from Nikon, and this is the D3400. I've had this for a handful of years now. Scratches on the back here, the battery compartment, doors busted off. But this thing just keeps on ticking and I continue to use it. Now I shoot in RAW, which means I got to do a little bit of post-processing, and I use Lightroom to do that. Now I have to in order to get it into a JPEG so I can show it on the video. But I'm a big fan of RAW, and I'm also a big fan of post-processing because you can pull all that information from the RAW images. So if you're out there taking shots, and if you start to feel comfortable with RAW and post-processing, go for it. If not, just stay with the JPEG. You'll be fine. Now, quick game plan. I'm going to hike around a bunch today. I'm going to take a bunch of shots. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to go or where I'm going to end up, but I do know I'm going to camp out tonight, and I do know it's going to be cold. But I got my trusty Teton Explorer 4000 backpack right here, and it's loaded to bear. I got my cold weather gear in there. Got my hatchet off to the side so I can get some firewood and hopefully stay warm tonight because I don't want to freeze, right? But it is all about having fun. That's the reason why I took this break on the weekend, and I invite you, take a step back, relax from your life, and come along for the ride and have some fun with me. So with all that said, let's just jump right in.
Yeah, honey, when the cash comes, slow me down cause they tryna pull a fast one. Sit him down, roll a fat blunt. Maybe I'll get lucky like I'm in a Daft Punk. I'm living in a famine. No love, John Lennon can't imagine. This house is abandoned, and 3 blocks out they living in a mansion. I hear the crowd chanting. Open up my eyes and they vanish like magic. Take a plane ticket to another planet. Going up but don't know how to land it. I ain't got a panda, but don't panic. You can understand it, I ain't speaking Spanish. Slum village cause my flow is fantastic. So it don't matter when they jack it like a bandit. Kill them off, I can run the gambit. Only seeing in the end how I planned it. Automatic door hustle. That means you can't knock it and you can't slam it.
I can go as far,
and you can go as far with me
as I think I can.
As you think you can.
I could be wrong,
they're gonna tell you that,
but I don't think I am.
You gotta just go harder.
I can go as far,
and you can go as far with me
as I think I can.
As you think you can.
I could be wrong,
they're gonna tell you that,
but I don't think I am.
You gotta just go harder. Frustrated, got the truth butt naked. Love making, but the young bucks love hating. Just take it if they lose it, trust break it. Moving up, making moves, most money's loan fake it. Most money don't make it. Most cash don't ever get to change it. Most fast don't ever win the races. Blue faces and all of them racist. It's so amazing how it's only alive but when you open your eyes and when you get in the vibe. The type of how you might die while you're chasing, and then you start to realize it with your third eye. Why'd you spend your whole life escaping? And I've been living a lie, trying to get a 9-5 when I should be alive and creating. I guess for now I'll be waiting.
I can go as far,
and you just go harder.
I can go as far,
And you can go as far with me
as I think I can.
as you think you can.
I could be wrong,
They're gonna tell you that
but I don't think I am.
you gotta just go harder.
I can go as far,
And you can go as far with me
as I think I can.
as you think you can.
I could be wrong,
They're gonna tell you that
but I don't think I am.
you gotta just go harder.
I already know where the sunshine go, when the sunshine go. So sick when it's time to get it, so lit when it's scientific. One box, one mind to fit in, won't shock the entire city. That's wrong, don't say you're different. That's smart, just keep it hidden. That's right, much like the sinning. That's tight, just like the rhythm. That far, don't mind the minute. That hard, don't shine the biggest. That start, just like the finish. That end is just like beginning. You already know where the sunshine go, when the sunshine go. You already know, already know, already know, already know. You already know, already know, already know. What have I done? These atoms and what am I from? These E's just like the cum. These threes just like the blunt. This piece just like the crumbs. My threes is just like your one. White sheet just like the front. Like me just like the run. One shot, decide you're done. One bod, one life to love. One rock, just like the buzz. Some God not liking us. One God don't ride the bus. Yo mom don't like to cuss. Yo girl don't like to trust. I already know where the sunshine go, when the sunshine go. I already know, already know, already know, already know. I already know, yeah, yeah. My life, don't try to live it. My side, don't try to get it. My fight, don't try to win it. My rhyme, don't try to print it. My line, don't like the limit. My shine, don't get a witness. De la, got that in it. You're fine, don't mind the critics. I'ma be free. My soul died at the clinic. That split ain't your decision. That gift ain't for the women. I'ma need you. Yo, God ain't that kind of image. That start just like the finish. That end is just like beginning. 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 You already know where the sunshine go, when the sunshine go. You already know. You already know. You already know. You already know.
Yeah, we gon' be alright. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Rest in peace to Richie, shit'll never be the same.
Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright.
Yeah, we gon' be alright.
Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright.
Yeah, we gon' be alright.
Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright.
I think it's time I smoke, it's been a hella long day. I've been busy searching, trying to find a better way. Slowly on my homies, either dead or in the cage. Rest in peace to Richie, shit'll never be the same. No spirit with me, that shit really ease the pain. If you can't relate, this to you I dedicate. Just to remember there gon' always be some better days. Gotta keep your head up, you can get through anything. Yeah, I know it's shitty, but I swear it's just a phase. You can take down anything, bitch, that's TDA. Sipping on this whiskey and it really numb my brain. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change.
Yeah, you know it's all good. We gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good. We gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good. We gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good. We gon' be alright.
Love and miss you, bro.
I had a lot of fun coming out to take a bunch of shots this weekend. Now the clouds are starting to roll in a bit, and the temperature's dropped, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's starting to snow here. Now I've got my ultra warm hat on, my scarf, my puffy coat, and a bunch of extra layers to help keep me warm. Now, as I said at the start of this video, I took all of these shots with the Nikon D3400 and the basic kit lens. This is just the 18 to 55 kit lens. What I really want to convey here is that it's not so much about the equipment as it is about the photographer's ability to use that equipment. Now, you don't need super expensive gear to take awesome shots. It's really understanding how to use that camera, understand the composition, and a little bit of post-processing to put that polish on. So I hope this video has inspired you, regardless of the equipment that you have, to get out there, grab those shots, unwind, relax, have some fun, enjoy yourself, because that's what it's all about. Now, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to post a link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out and join me over there. And if this video has helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. It's called Real World. More often than not, I post videos about photography and technology, but you never know. So until the next video, take care of yourself and be safe.